Hold on. What was that? What did you get?
A helmet? Oh, you said.
What'd you get,
Cindy,
P?
this one-
Wait, P-Bear, come here.
You say what
Peyton,
you
hold this up.
Peyton.
Just wait, hold this up. Show us what it is.
A helmet.
From who?
From a bag.
From who?
No, for your rollerblades.
Yeah, for your bike and your rollerblades. But who got it for you?
And Jess.
And Uncle Chris and Garrett.
Oh, Peyton, you want to be
And what's in this box right here? This
Peyton, what's
big
in
pink
this box?
Mom, rollerblades. Amanda, do you want to reopen this?
No, that was the rollerblades, I think.
Mom.
No, that yeah. Here.
Mom.
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna like this one.
Don't
I
touch.
love you.
I love you too.
Mom.
I forget what this is.
Okay, never mind.
Oh no, I remember it. This is.
Don't tell me. Yeah. Peyton, do you want to? Do you need help opening that? No, I know how to do it.
Oh. They're Lincoln Logs! Like Emo Tots!
Yay!
And then you have a pony for it! Oh my gosh! Here, I'll open it.
No, don't open them right now.
Well, I'm gonna show her the pony.
Well, she can look on the outside, can't she?
Look. You get a pony, and then you get a little gate, and then this for your house. And then you get a little girl, and a barrel.
No, Mia, that's for Peyton. Mia, that's Peyton's.
Mia, why'd you open
It's okay, it was an
it?
accident. She forgot. She got excited.
Here. You open it, baby.
Right, Mia? You just forgot.
Polly!
What is this one?
Polly Pockets with Halloween costumes. Look. There's a
Mom,
diaper, cheerleader. Oh, I think that's Jasmine. A superhero, princess,
No.
and then a mermaid, like Ariel. See?
You like it?
And then you get different Polly Pocket girls.
So
So now you don't you have all these girls.
Mom, could we open this?
different costumes.
Where's Jasmine? Mom, could we open this?
Jasmine, well, I just thought this.
Not right now. We're going to go eat dinner first.
So, okay. And then you have one more, I think.
I think we got
No,
this
you
one
don't.
in front now. Do I have one more? Oh,
You got a lot. Did you open that bag right there?
Where? Oh, you didn't open it.
I opened it.
Let me just leave it.
Doll clothes.
Close for your dolly.
Stay down, yes.
You
What?
already opened it.
Wow.
Here. Here, where's your dolly?
Well, we're not doing it right now. We got to go to dinner first. But
Peyton, look what you got.
Where's your dolly?
look at those cute skates.
Oh my gosh, those are so cute.
But I don't know how to rollerblade by myself.
It's roller
we-
skates,
we
just
have
like
to-
the ones that Austin broke.
We have to work on it. We'll have to practice.